Hello? Wondering how to make PT payment? Here we are with 10 simple steps to help you with PT payment. Click on the below link to go the payment website. Select the tab Karnataka Professional Tax on your left-hand side. Select dealer type as registered dealer and enter the RC number. Select the period as monthly and enter the year and month for which payment is being made. Mention the tax amount, select the respective bank and click on Next. Verify the information and submit. You will be directed to the online banking portal. Log into your net banking portal and add reference to the transaction. After submitting, return back to PT page and click on Go to Main page. On the right-hand side, click on Print e-Challan. Enter the CTD reference number and amount, click on Print and save the challan. I hope this was useful. Thank you.